So hey folks, a very good afternoon to everyone. So today I am here with a perspective of enhancing the workflow of data analyst and data scientist with Gen AI tools. So before we deep dive into the PDF into the presentation, I want to thank all the teachers who are in SkillCure Academy. So I am very grateful to my teachers because they are my guiders, and I think that my teachers saw my potential long before I did. They motivate me, they guide me, and they have given me a best platform where I can show my abilities, my confidence, and my skills to present. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. So these are the contents we will cover in this presentation. Section 1, it is a quick explanation and revolution in data analysis. Then we come to the section second, which is generative AI platforms deep dive, in which Devan sir explained us in a meeting that what are the uses of AI, how we can use a AI. So first of all, I want to say a thing that basically shifting from a manual analyst to an augmented analyst is a very smarter move, and it is a very high strategic impact. We cannot always do manual things. We have to be smart. We have to do the rational use of a AI. So let's get deep in this. Design and visual enhancement tools. Section 4, productivity and communication tools like temp mail, temp phone. The first, AI revolution in data analysis. These are the valuable propositions of Gen AI. Value proposition of Gen AI means that what are the benefits, like core transformation strategy, key operational benefits, measurable business impacts. It delivers a productivity, gains reduced analysis times, like what the Gen AI can do, what a basic AI can do. So here are these, you can read also, and I can explain it too. So maybe move further. Any questions? So now here is a AI tools comparison matrix in which I have prepared a graph type thing, and you can also see this graph in any games. So I have taken from there this idea, in which you can see the tool names, their work efficiency, ease of use, cost, and best for. Like some platforms, some AIs are best in coding, like black box AI. Devansh sir told us in a meeting that black box AI is basically a AI which is used for a perfect coding and strategic implementation insights. Tool selection depends on workflow requirements, like what a company or a team is demanding us. Like if being a data analyst and we are in a company, suppose in a SkillCure company, so what a company wants us, as a business analyst, you have to make profits in a business. So according to this, we will use the AIs. May I move further?
Yes, are you didn't even mention that
What?
black box AI?
Black box AI? No, bro. I'm mentioning it in further slides. Yeah, it's a quick overview. So implementation roadmap of AI. Like how do we implement our AI? We cannot we cannot just type the prompts and take our answer, take our insights. We have to do a proper prompt and we have to implement it. Like first we will, here is data collection and pre-processing. Then here is insight generation using AI. If you present in anything, like I am presenting this, I am presenting to generative AI platform deep dive. Grok AI versus Chat GPT overview. So now, as you can see here, that practical application comparison in data analyze use cases. So basically Grok AI excels in real-time financial analytics. And the Chat GPT, what is the main role of Chat GPT? Can anyone explain? Like we can just do prompting on Chat GPT and get our answer like similar to Grok AI. But Grok AI gives a specific answer we need, and the Chat GPT basically gives broader context, and it is a communicational, conversational AI. So if we want exact answer, the professional in our company, the professional peoples in our company want a strong code. They don't want to communicate. They don't have the time. So in business analytics, we will definitely use Grok AI.
What's the performance
GPT, generational prompt. Sir, I don't have idea of GPTs. Yes.
Anyone knows? Generative pre-trained data
Yes, sir.
transfer.
Generative pre-trained.
Pre-trained data transfer.
Okay, generative pre-trained data transforming. Yes. Now we will talk about Perplexity and Gemini features. That how are they different and what are their features. So Perplexity AI platform, research focused with source citation and real-time web search capabilities. Google Gemini platform, multi-modal processing, supports texting, image. In our phones, we have Gemini, basically. Samsung and other companies of phone like Redmi have given the inbuilt Gemini, and it's very, very accessible and very easy for using. So if we want to easily, if we want any definition, we can easily just prompt on Google Gemini and we can get it. But if we want to deep dive in it, then we can use the Perplexity. Okay, napkin AI platforms. Napkin AI platforms is a best thing for data analyst because visual explanation generator creating diagrams and concept illustrations. It can generate any type of visual we want. We just have to give a proper prompt and your work is done. Black box AI code generation, as I told you. Now, here are some research and workflow optimization. Any doubts? Should we move further? Practical application scenarios like rapid insights, research backed validation. Perplexity provides research backed data sourcing. Grok AI, real time market analyzers, as I told you. Scenario visual data storytelling napkin. Best practice strategy, leverage multi tool approach combining all platforms for comprehensive coverage. As a data analyst, you can just showcase your skills, your abilities by using these multiple AI platforms in a one presentation like I have did here, I have mentioned here, and you can just make your insights pretty impressive.
I have a doubt.
Yes, sure.
You are explaining like Grok delivers financial market real-time data. Data
Hmm.
analysts don't work in financial data.
No,
They
data
also
analyst
research
works on
data.
financial data. I have also made a financial strategy dashboard. Data analyzes analyze the financial things also. Business analyst.
Is the role of business or financial analyst not comes under the data analyst?
No, it
They
comes
work on
under
the
data
same
analysis.
as
Like
well as
I may be wrong because I'm not a pro.